Hello, young explorers! Today, we're going on an incredible journey to understand some of Earth's most powerful forces, natural disasters. These events can be scary, but learning about them helps us prepare and stay safe. Are you ready to shrink down and see them up close? Amazing! With a little bit of science magic, I've shrunk to a tiny size. Now, let's dive into the Earth's crust to explore our first natural disaster, earthquakes. We'll start deep underground where the action begins. Look around. We're deep inside the Earth's crust, walking on a giant section of a tectonic plate. Earth's surface isn't one solid piece. It's broken into these massive plates that are always moving, very slowly. Sometimes they grind against each other. When the pressure from these grinding plates builds up too much, it suddenly releases, causing the ground to shake. This is an earthquake. We can feel the vibrations travel through the Earth. Now, let's explore volcanoes. We're deep beneath a mountain, near a huge chamber filled with molten rock called magma. This magma is extremely hot and under immense pressure, always trying to find a way out. When the pressure becomes too great, the magma forces its way up through cracks, erupting from the top of the volcano. It can release ash, gases, and fiery lava that flows down the mountain. Next, we're diving deep under the ocean. Sometimes an earthquake happens underwater, or a volcanic eruption creates a huge disturbance. This pushes up a massive amount of water, starting a tsunami. That disturbance grows into a series of incredibly powerful ocean waves called tsunamis. As they reach shallower coastal waters, they slow down, but grow much taller, crashing onto land with immense force. Let's fly high above the warm ocean to see hurricanes. These colossal storms begin over warm ocean waters. The heat and moisture rise, creating rotating clouds that feed the storm. As a hurricane grows, it forms a central eye, a calm, clear area. But around the eye is the eye wall, where the strongest winds and heaviest rains are found, making it extremely dangerous. Now for tornadoes. These powerful rotating columns of air often form from giant, severe thunderstorms called supercells. Inside these storms, warm and cool air mix in a dangerous way. When conditions are right, a rotating funnel cloud descends from the supercell, touching the ground. This is a tornado. It can pick up cars, destroy buildings, and leave a path of destruction. Floods happen when there's too much water, often from heavy, continuous rain or rapid snowmelt. Rivers can overflow their banks, and low-lying areas become submerged. Floodwaters can damage homes, roads, and bridges, making it hard to travel and access necessities. It's crucial to evacuate if advised, and never drive or walk through floodwaters. Our last stop is wildfires, often occurring in dry areas with lots of fuel like trees and grass. They can start naturally from lightning or sometimes by human carelessness. Once a wildfire starts, it can spread incredibly fast, especially with wind. It burns through forests, homes, and everything in its path, creating huge amounts of smoke. we must always be careful to prevent them.